adjourned to tomorrow, Wednesday, 18th of June, 2025, 10 a.m. Say hi. Hi. Hi, sir. His Excellency, sorry, I've never been a speaker. His Excellency, the Senator, Otumba Engineer Mgbeke will give the vote of thanks. But before that, as kindly requested for by the cameramen or the media, I want to go over the address again for those that were not here to capture the video. So it won't take us much. Sir? 5 minutes. But to put the record straight, tomorrow there will be screening exercise for chairman, MD, and other members of the board. By the special grace of God, we are starting by 10. I told you when you came in that we fixed today's meeting for 12, and we are here for 12. If you know us for our tradition and culture, that's our value. We keep to time. We are Awoist. That's the truth. We are pace setters. Ajishebi Southwest Ilari, Professor Gishebi Adikok. Speech delivered by the chairman of the Senate Committee on Southwest Development Commission, Senator Yunus Abiodun Akintule, PhD, during the inaugural meeting of the committee held on Tuesday, 17th day of June 2025 at the Senate New Building. Deputy Chairman, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it is both an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to this inaugural meeting of the Senate Committee on Southwest Development Commission, and to congratulate all of us as members of this important committee. This marks a significant milestone and the beginning of what I'm confident will be a successful and impactful journey for all of us. First and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of us for being here today. Your presence, despite being on recess, signifies your commitment, interest, and your belief in the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. As the chairman, I feel a deep sense of responsibility not only to lead, but to listen and to collaborate in the discharge of our duties and responsibilities. We are to ensure that this committee becomes a space of innovation, inclusion, inspiration, and avenue for the provision of dividend of democracy. The establishment of this committee is in fulfillment of Section 62(1) of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, and the Senate has deemed the establishment appropriate to strengthen our community through sustainable development, initiative, and knowledge sharing in our country. Our goal is not just to function, but to thrive and to make a difference and to leave a lasting impact. Today's meeting set the tone for our future. We are here to establish our values, define our priorities, and lay out the framework for how we will work together. I encourage open dialogue, mutual respect, and collective decision-making throughout our journey. Our first assignment is to screen the presidential nominee for the position of the chairman, managing director, and members of the board of Southwest Development Commission. This has been scheduled for tomorrow, the 18th day of June 2025. Our vision is to provide adequate oversight functions for the good governance of the Commission to harness the vast potentials of the Southwest region, promoting economic growth, social justice, and human capacity development. We will work to address the infrastructure deficit, enhance regional cohesion, and foster business-friendly environment through robust legislative activities. Let us remember that great things are not achieved in isolation. They are born out of unity, determination, and shared vision. I believe we have the right people, the right purpose, and the right momentum. I thank you once again as we all look forward to fruitful discussion and meaningful engagement. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
I've given you that 2025, 10 a.m. prompt.
Our able chairman, very, very distinguished members of this committee, my job is very, very simple, is to thank you all for making time in a very prompt way to attend this inaugural meeting of this committee. Without any doubt, we are making history. And by the special grace of God, we will live to see the fruits and the dividends of these seeds that we are sowing today. To all our members, the clerk and all the other people who have worked assiduously to make this happen, I also thank you. To our media friend and all the people who have also come to see what we are doing, we are most grateful. And overall, we thank God Almighty for making this happen, even though in our lifetime. Thank you very much.
Will somebody